Hello YouTube. We are in a 2015 Dodge Dart. And today I'm going to show you how to pair an iPhone SE with a uConnect 200 audio system. First, you're going to want to take the remote, set it to the ACC mode. Oops, copyright. Next, you will push phone right there.
uConnect phone ready.
Setup.
Select one of the following: device pairing, confirmation prompts, select phone, select audio device, language, emergency, towing assistance, SMS incoming message announcement, phone book download, voice training, or reset.
Reset.
Are you sure you want to reset factory settings? This will delete all phone pairing, phone book entries, and other settings in all language modes.
Yes.
Resetting to factory settings. Deleting all phone pairing, phone book entries, and other settings in all language modes. Would you like to proceed?
Yes.
Returning to main menu. Ready.
Setup.
Select one of the following: device pairing, confirmation prompts, select phone, select audio device, language, emergency.
I'm sorry if the
assistance,
video is a little longer than
SMS
expected.
incoming message announcement, phone book download, voice training, or reset.
Device pairing.
Do you want to pair a device, delete a device,
And then
list
it will
paired
show
devices,
this.
or set Bluetooth pin number?
Pair a device.
Refer to www.uconnectphone.com
It does
for a
that.
list of supported Bluetooth devices. Please say the name of the device after the beep.
Gare's iPhone SE.
Adding.
Gare's iPhone SE.
Is this correct?
Yes.
Should paired device be set as favorite?
Yes.
Start pairing procedure on device. See device manual for instructions.
Now you will start the pairing procedure on your device. See right there. And then it will show uConnect right there. And I gotta look back at the display. 0000 is my password.
Pairing complete. Device stored as favorite.
Here we go. Alright, now we will set Bluetooth with audio. We will do this for now. So here we go. It's now playing audio. Also displays song titles. Right there. It does this sometimes. That's it. That's how you pair your iPhone with a uConnect 200 audio system. Thank you for viewing. Happy driving.